Hi everyone, as we move to distance learning in elementary school, we're going to refine the attendance process so it's a little simpler on the side of the teachers. What the process will be is we'll continue with assumed attendance, where teachers take daily attendance using Infinite Campus and mark all students present. The health office will then send a form to teachers on Wednesdays and Fridays via email. A teacher will fill out the form on Wednesdays and Fridays that they receive, and they will signify what students they did not hear from, they did not see at all, or did not complete any assignments. This is more of a well-child check. The health office will then follow up on Wednesdays and Fridays. Referrals based on attendance or other concerns will go directly to the school's mental health team. The changes are, again, this is a simpler form. It will be directly sent to staff, and we will now be doing this twice a week. We will begin this process on December 2nd, and you'll receive the link for the example form that's quite simple for you as a teacher to fill out. Thank you, everybody, and have a great day.